Many of you have been asking about the progress of that One Lake project. Developers say it's a multi-million-dollar flood control project. Well, 12 News' Jade Blexa joins us in the studio now with an update. Jade?
Melanie, some community leaders believe it would have stopped most homes from flooding. The attorney for the Rankin-Hines-Pearl River Flood and Drainage Control District says about 90% of homes would have been saved from the rising waters.
We have certain pinch points that exist right now with the existing levees and some other structures that hold water back. They create resistance and force water up into our Northeast Jackson neighborhoods. So those would be corrected to improve the water flow. But any design that we've had, and which the one we're proposing, cannot harm downstream either. So we've extensively studied downstream to make sure that there isn't added flooding or added water quantity problems downstream as well.
Advocating for is a much more 21st century solutions-oriented and cost-effective approach to actually address what people's immediate relief and long-term flood management needs are here in the Jackson community. That would include leveraging federal programs that FEMA has.
Now, the district sent the One Lake project report to the Army Corps of Engineers last week. Tonight at 10, I'll have a closer look at the project and an alternative Audubon, Mississippi is proposing. In the studio, Jade Blexa, 12 News.